Looking for a great gadget? Our selection of the latest gadget reviews will help you find the ideal drones, GPS devices, toys and more. Also the latest reviews on laptop, mobile phone reviews, tablets, cameras and other gadgets reviews. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Huawei Vision 4K TV with pop-up camera review. Huawei unveils its new television. Who isn't making TV these days? Alongside hype for the upcoming OnePlus TV, phone maker Huawei has also been getting in on the action with a HarmonyOS TV, the Honor Vision, and it looks like another set called the Vision is on its way too. The Vision is a 4K Ultra HD television, coming in 55-inch, 65-inch, and 75-inch sizes, and was announced at the Mate 30 launch event on September 19th. What's notable about the set is its HarmonyOS smart platform, which is possibly being touted for the company's smartphones too, amid certain bans on Huawei phones and wavering support from Google. Does Huawei Vision sound familiar? It could. Huawei released a mid-range smartphone with the same name back in 2011, which you can watch in our Huawei Vision smartphone review. But the new Vision TV will be taking some inspiration from the world of phones, with a pop-up camera, also on the Honor Vision Pro, that slides out of the top of the television when you wish to take a photo of, your living room, we guess. The Huawei Vision will come with IoT control and high-link smart home platform to connect to your smart gadgets around the home. Microphones in the remote will also respond to voice commands. We're told it's always listening, while the remote also uses a USB-C charging port and touch-sensitive controls. CEO Richard Yu stated that it's more like a large-screen smartphone and a smart speaker than a TV when he announced it at the Mate 30 launch event. There's no pricing or release date as of yet, but given the Honor TV models have only been announced for the Chinese market so far, we're not holding out hope of the Huawei Vision coming to the US, UK, or Europe until we hear more.